If these young people had lived during 1976, they would have stood in the front lines with Tsietsi Mashinini, Kgotso Seatlholo, Mbuyisa Makubo, and the many children who faced the bullets of apartheid, armed only with their youth and righteous cause. They would have said no to the imposition of Africans. They would have organized in their classrooms. They would have led marches, and they would have refused to be silenced. Because what runs through their veins is the same thing that ran through the youth of 1976. Defiance, vision, and a commitment to dignity. Today, they become part of that eternal youth. Those children who did not die because they were weak, but because this world has yet to become the safe place they deserve. And so, as the EFF we say, that death must not be in vain. Their passing must become a turning point.